Welcome. If you want to find display settings in your Honor 8X, at first you have to open the settings. Next, go for the display and the brightness, and here we are. As you can see, we can find here a couple of the options, like we can adjust the brightness level of the screen, we can also make it automatically, we can change color mode and the temperature, we can also make it manually by using this slider, we can change sleep mode, enable or disable the dark mode. We got also eye comfort, we can enable it permanently, change the color temperature, and also we can set up schedule from, for example, from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Below we can find text and the display size, so we can resize by using the sliders. We can also change the text style. Just wait a little bit. Okay, let's go back and let's enter one more time. Okay, looks like it's not working in my case, so we are going to skip this option. We can also change the screen resolution, so we can go for the HD Plus or Full HD Plus, but also we can make it, let's go back, we can also pick Full HD Plus or go for the Smart Resolution to save the power. And that's what I'm going to pick. Just go back. We can also display more settings, like we can go for the full screen display apps. We can set the screensaver, but I'm gonna get rid of that. We can display the network speed right here, the SIM card, and we can also hide the notch. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.